Hello, welcome back for lesson number 62. I put a title called Eyes. Today we're going to rough out the eyes area of the part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have modified the previous operation to have a better rough out. So today we're going to do the final rough out for the eyes area. Profile, create, profile again, click OK. Select the right eye, OK. Add profile, another one, OK. OK again. We need to select a tool, load tool shape, mill, smaller tool, 5 mm, flat end mill, OK. Change the tool number, OK. Set the frame, G54, RPM and feed rate. The top area as usual, as well as the bottom. Side tick 0.5, bottom tick 0.5 as well. Uniform depth 3 mm. We have to cut order with region first, and we want to cut outside. Start point 0, minus 10. Set the engage and retract. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. Can drag the tool. Z minus 14.5. This is what we expected. OK. OK again. Let us perform a solid verify. Looks good. Analysis. Visual to see any excessive material or overcut. Looks good. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it. Do axis mill, profile, create, profile, OK. To tilt the part a little bit, select this one, OK. Add profile, another one, OK, OK. Manage, load tool shape. We need to select a 5 mm flat end mill, OK. Tool number 4, OK. No. Let us set the frame, G54, RPM, and feed rate. Boundary top is here, bottom is here. Side tick 0.5, bottom tick 0.5 as well. 3. Region first. Outside 0, minus 10. This is 3, none for retract. Display. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. G54. Drag the tool. Z minus 14.5. Looks good. OK. OK again. Let us perform a solid verify. Reduce speed. Play. Looks good. Let us do an option, analysis, visual. Zoom in. We have material for the finishing cut. Looks good. Close, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the finishing operation at the next lesson. Bye bye.